Now for Project Keep It Real, it's obvious we need a spare tire because you just never know what you're going to encounter on the trail. And with a spare tire, you need a spare tire carrier. So first things first, we're going to see how much our Maxxis Razor tire and wheel combo weigh. 134. At 134 pounds, we know that this spare tire carrier is not going to cut it, and we need to build something a lot sturdier. All right, so we know our tire is 40 inches. Gotta make sure that it's going to fit in here. It is, and we know that we got to roughly be about at 23 inches in height so we can fit everybody in. All right, that's 34. Okay. With all measurements checked, it was over to the Edwards ironworker to get our stock bent into shape, and then it went straight into the tube notcher. I'm starting with 2 support tubes that are bent to 25 degrees. Not only will they carry the weight of our spare, they also shift the weight of the tire forward and over our rear axle. In addition, these tubes will raise the spare out of the Jeep's tub, giving us room for much needed trail gear. A leftover U-bolt plate I found laying around the shop will serve as the platform for the tire mount itself. Because our beadlock has a 4.5-inch back spacing, we needed to come up with a way to get our spare tire carrier from rough stuff up and into the rim so we can secure it properly. So what we did is we took 3-inch stock, cut it 6 inches to cover our rim to the mounting point. Now all we got to do is tack it, do some final fitment, and weld it all in. The cool thing about this 8-inch spare tire mounting plate is it has hole configurations for 6 different wheel patterns covering just about all of the wheels out on the market. All right, let's test her out. Well, there you have it. Not only is this our spare tire carrier, but it serves a secondary purpose. It pushes our 134 pounds up and in between our axles so that the vehicle is more balanced.